Hello guys, my name is Famara. Welcome to the Hedin Automotive YouTube channel. In today's video is going to be a step-by-step guide of how to connect your smartphone Bluetooth to your lovely smart car. First thing you want to do is go to the Bluetooth device options and make sure it's turned on and seen as discoverable. Then you want to hop onto your smartphone and turn the Bluetooth option on. Once both Bluetooth devices are on, you should see under other devices the name of the vehicle, which in this case is Smart. What you want to do next is click Smart underneath the other devices, and once you do that, it will start up the pairing and you will see the pairing code on the infotainment screen and the smartphone. At this point, you want to click Connect on the screen and then Pair on the device, and this will initiate connection. The next question it will ask you is if you want to sync your favorites and contact to the vehicle. You click Allow and this will simply sync your contacts and favorites and give you access from the infotainment screen. You should now be connected and able to receive and make calls from your infotainment screen, as well as play your favorite songs, which we'll get on in a later video. If you have any more questions, please get in contact with the details below. If you need any more tips and tricks, please follow our Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.